Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you what to do if iPhone vibrations not working. The vibration motor is a very useful part of the iPhone, allowing it to notify us about calls or other events occurring on our devices when we need to have the iPhone on. These features can be important for accessibility as well for users who may find it difficult or impossible to hear the phone ringing. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First, I am going to tell you how to enable vibration on iPhone. First, test whether the vibration motor is enabled. Flip the ring and silence switch back and forth. It should vibrate on one option or the other depending on the setting. For this, open the settings app. Next, scroll down and choose sound and haptics. Next, choose haptics. In this screen, ensure that the vibrate toggles for your desired options are enabled. If these options were already enabled or this doesn't have, check to be sure you have a vibration pattern selected. For this, go back and tap the ringtone option. Scroll up and choose haptics. If you were wondering how to change a vibration on iPhone, this is the spot. On this screen you can select or create a vibration pattern. Just make sure that something other than none is selected. If this still doesn't help, return to the main settings screen and then choose accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap the touch option. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of vibration. Ensure the vibration toggle on this screen is enabled, as if it is not, it will completely disable vibration in all situations. Tap on its toggle button to enable it and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix your iPhone vibration not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.